Today, I'll show you how to add crypto in MetaTrader 5. Before we start, keep in mind that crypto symbols in MetaTrader 5 depend on your broker. If your broker offers crypto trading, you will be able to add coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or other crypto pairs from the Market Watch window. First, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. On the left side, find the Market Watch window. If you do not see it, go to the top menu and click View, then select Market Watch. You can also press Ctrl+M on your keyboard. Now right-click anywhere inside the Market Watch window. From the menu, choose Symbols. A new window will open with all instruments available from your broker. Look through the folders and find a category called Crypto, Cryptocurrencies, Digital Assets, or something similar. Open that folder. Now select the crypto pair you want to add. For example, BTCUSD, ETHUSD, or another coin pair supported by your broker. Click Show Symbol to add it to Market Watch. Then click OK to close the window. You should now see the crypto pair listed in Market Watch. To open the chart, right-click the crypto symbol and choose Chart Window. MetaTrader 5 will now display the crypto chart, where you can analyze price movement, add indicators, or place trades if your broker allows it. If you cannot find any crypto symbols, your broker may not support crypto trading on MetaTrader 5. In that case, you may need to contact your broker or open an account with a broker that offers crypto instruments. And that's it. You've successfully added crypto in MetaTrader 5. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.